Okay, guys, so we will explain you a little bit about connection. So when you dance with the partner, of course, it's very important to have your tummy in, prepare your spine, have strong legs, and know all the fundamentals. But now when, for example, I'm dancing with the girl, what is important for me is to find that spine to spine connection through the body weight. So we hold our arms in front of ourselves and we try to find that breathing together. So we're not simply holding arms and waiting till the music starts to step, but we have that breathing in and out feel of two spines connecting to each other. So what I'm basically doing, I'm basically just rocking my spine, rocking my body weight, which means my spine from side to side in this case. And same time, there is a pendulum hip change here. And Christina doing exactly the same, but just forward and back. So she's driving her spine forward and back with the pendulum change. I'm doing, in this case, in the side position, I can do it forward and back. And just by doing this, we can find that breathing connection, and then it can lead us to something. So when we feel we connect, and then we, for example, go somewhere. But just standing like this and constantly rocking, feeling each other is, for me, is very, very essential and important. Let's say if we start in this position, so the first thing what I'm gonna do after inviting her, giving her my arm, I will start giving her my spine weight by rocking my spine forward towards her. And of course, I will change my pendulum. Same time, Christina here, she's gonna change her pendulum and drive her spine to me. And it's very often you see top professional couples, they stay and they a little bit rocking, then they start right away. And then once we feel our spines connected, and we don't recommend it just to connect and stay there. We recommend you to be alive, to feel that breathing movement forward and back. Once you feel the spines are breathing together, you can start taking a step. And what I recommend you, after you took a step, also try to do a little bit rocking in this step and then go for the next one. And now let's connect together. Let's connect together. And once you find this spine to spine connection with your partner, you can progress and do some amazing movements together. Boom. What I also recommend that we constantly stay towards each other. Like for example here, your arm is 90 degree. She's still bringing her spine to me in a breathing way. And then as the moment arrives, she goes into her turn. Boom. Boom. There. I know it's not easy to do it by yourself at home, but you can practice with the wall, and Christina will show you a couple exercises how to do it with the wall, how you can feel connection.
Hello, beautiful ladies. So let me share you a couple tips for connecting your arms. So the common problem, what could happen when you dance with your partner, that sometimes you don't get signal as fast as you wish, let's say. So why is it happening? Because of the shoulder joint. So our shoulder joint is the most flexible joint in our body. So in order to understand what partner wants from you when you dance with him, you have to connect your shoulder joint through muscles. So the joints itself, they are very flexible, and it's a good thing. We don't want stiff joints, but joints, hello, my partner, right? But joint can be fixed by surrounding muscles. So what should you do at, let's say, at your home, for example? Find a towel, like a small face towel, roll it. So your roll should be like this kind of size, and put it under your like armpit here. So when you hold your towel and when you dance, let's say, you can even practice yourself. You don't have to have your partner with you, let's say. Or another tip is an apple. So an apple could be also a good thing. So I don't want to use for apple right now, but you can try with an apple, or a towel is probably the easiest thing. So basically what you're gonna do, even without your partner, hold on one second. So even without your partner, you can do this simple exercise. For example, you can fix most of the time you use the arm, the right arm. So you dance, let's say, basic, and try squeezing this towel so you not let your towel out. So that would be the first exercise. And when, let's say, you can use your partner you have it at home, or your husband, for example. So you can practice on him, use him as a wall, even if he doesn't know how to dance. So let's say you connect with your partner. For example, let's do just simple basic, right? So, and when he, let's say, goes to me, so the most common thing, common mistake, you feel a pressure and you do this, right? So, for example, what would be the wrong option? So let's go with me. Up, forward, yeah. So you see, I'm kind of giving up my arm. That's why I don't get the contact, like the message right away. So what I would do, I will squeeze my towel and engage my surrounding my shoulder joint muscles. So I will feel how my shoulder blades stuck in my back, and these muscles I engage strongly. So when he goes on me, I will feel that pressure and I will move my spine. So let's say next step, if he goes, and go. Now let's say because he stopped his weight in the middle weight position, and I'm continuing myself moving 100%, I will feel a pull, like someone pulling me. So, but what's the common mistake? Let's say he goes back, right? And he pulls you, and what would happen? You release your towel, you relax your joint, and you will feel very heavy for your partner and very late on time. So what would be the solution? So we are practicing this towel hold. So let's say he pulls you. He pulls you. What does it mean for you? For you means you need to move, need to move your spine, need to use your standing leg. So this exercise with the towel will give you that kind of a moment to practice your arm fixation. Just like that. Yeah. Whoop. And here I'm holding my towel still. And also what would be good for, let's say, why this towel exercise is so good, that it will also create a little volume for you. So a lot of times people lose the volume and keep their arms very narrow. So when you look, let's say, professional dancers, top couples, they all have this volume between each other, right? So let's say if I walk somewhere, I keep that volume, so I don't kill the volume right away. So I will rotate into like here, keeping that space between my uh, like shoulder, I guess, and chest. So here, and whoop, and whoop, and yeah, and here, very important, we also keep the a volume for my partner. So it's kind of additional information right now. It's not about shoulder joint that much, but let's say what would be the killer for your dance partner volume is this. You open and just don't care at all, just open to opening out. So what would I do? I would keep again, my shoulder organized and pressing down, and imagine the circle, like keeping the round shape here. Yes, so I go tick, tick, hop. Yeah.